Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find and restore deleted voice memos in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to find and restore deleted voice memos, first of all go to app library and open utilities folder. Now tap on voice memos and go back to main voice memos page. Now here click on recently deleted and then click on edit. Now select the recordings you want to recover and then click on recover in bottom corner. Now click on recover selected recordings. That's all. Now the recordings are recovered. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.